Stephanie from F.A.S.T Limited, and today we're going to talk about a two-person home emergency kit. Here we have our two-person bag, custom made in our warehouse here in Delta. When you open it, inside you will find a bunch of rescue gear, food, water, and some small emergency items. So here we have a water bag, we have some matches, we have a camp knife, we have foil blankets, we have the water tablets, and a whistle, as well as some light sticks, 2 face masks because it's a two-person kit. It also comes with an earthquake and tsunami guide, and a black garbage bag. If you go further, you have some work gloves, some rope. You also have a plastic face shield. Got some duct tape. What else do we have in here? We also have a folding shovel. So this is all your rescue gear. There's also a flashlight. And for the flashlight, if you don't have batteries, we do have batteries that come with the kit, and they're kept in the side pocket. Flashlight. There is some toilet paper. We also have an emergency radio. It's wind up. It works fantastic. I believe it also has a light on it. I'm going to put that there. What else do we got in here? We also have, so this is a two-person, so it has 18 packs of water, and that's a 5-year shelf life. So this kit is good for 5 years. There are also 2 food bricks for 2 people, 1. Expiry dates are on the back, and these food bricks are also good for 5 years. At the bottom, we keep the tarp. This is for shelters or anything else you may require it for. We've got some other handy items in here. We have a locking plier, and we also have a crowbar. It's pretty heavy, but it's awesome. And that's it for a two-person kit. This kit can be kept, some people keep it in their garages, some people keep it in a front hall closet or a bedroom closet, somewhere where it's easy to grab and quick to take and go. And that's it for now. If you have any questions, just give us a call at 604-940-3222. Thanks for watching.